In the land of innovation, where dreams take flight, there's a brand shaking things up with all its might. Tangled filament, cheeky and bold, turning high prices into tales of old. From coast to coast, we spread our wings, bringing affordable prints with all the joy it brings. Tangled filament, breaking barriers with science, saying screw you to high prices, kicking ass. From 22 to 15, and aiming for 10. Tangled filament, leading the way once again. With a wink and a grin, we optimize each day, crafting filaments cheaper in every single way. From the heart of the USA to makers worldwide, we're on a mission with nothing to hide. With every roll we spit and every dollar saved, we're proving it's not impossible, just gotta be brave. Tangled filament, breaking barriers with size, saying screw you to high prices, kicking ass. From 22 to 15, and aiming for 10. Tangled filament, leading the way once again. No secret formulas, no magic spell, just hard work and determination as we excel. With innovation as our guide and cheekiness our friend, tangled filament on a journey with no end. Tangled filament, breaking barriers with size, saying screw you to high prices, kicking ass. From 22 to 15, aiming for 10. Tangled filament, leading the way once again. So here's to Tangled filament, the brand that's bold, turning the world of 3D printing into gold. With every spool we roll and every goal we meet, Tangled filament, making dreams complete. Here's to Tangled filament, the brand that's bold, turning the world of 3D printing into gold. With every spool we roll and every goal we meet, Tangled filament, making dreams complete.